Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna review Trade Republic, which is a German broker that is operating in 17 countries across the Eurozone. It's a new broker for Ireland, for Irish residents. It was of course already operating in other European countries, but it's a very welcome addition for the definitely the Irish investors. So let's see this review from the site fintechcompass.net. What information can we get from this? Okay, so it was founded in 2015, and this is still a startup, so it's not an established company like the Giro or Interactive Brokers. So you have to, of course, keep that in mind. So what's available on this platform? It can be used on your mobile or on your computer. It's like a good opportunity to buy stocks and ETFs. The very good thing about this platform is that there's only a €1 fee when you buy stocks, which is very low compared to the other brokers. Cryptocurrencies are also available to buy, and in this review we can see that saving plans are available. What are saving plans? It's a feature of this app that allow you to set up basically a recurrent investment that is already configured in the app, so you can as long as you have funds in your account, they are automatically invested in your saving plan, and that's free of charge, which is of course very good. So you can definitely build your plans or use existing plans, and that is definitely much cheaper than a mutual funds when they are, the stocks are picked for you, and then you can rotate your investments. So you start with maybe saving plan for certain sectors or for certain markets, and then maybe you see the markets conditions change, and you might want to invest in different stocks. You could have several plans, and then you can switch to those, or you can say, okay, from this particular moment I'm gonna just use one saving plan instead of another. So that's of course up to you if you are an advanced investor. If you're not, you can use the existing ones. Okay, so another thing, the Trade Republic is regulated by the Federal Bank of Germany, so it's protected. Your deposit is protected under the Deposits Protection Scheme for up to €100,000. That is pretty much the same as the Irish banks. So there's no reason why you should keep your funds in an Irish bank, which gives you a much lower interest, and we'll see that later. And I already covered that in another video. Trade Republic is now giving you 2% interest on your cash. So in this review we can see there's a few pros and cons. Trade Republic offers one of the most extensive range of investment products. It ticks all the boxes when it comes to security, and as it has a solid security process as well. It's very simple. The fee structure is straightforward, and definitely fees are very low. Of course, you cannot expect from this platform all the maybe charts, all the tools that can help you to make your investment decision. So it's very basic. It's very it only gives you basically the opportunity to trade and to create the saving plans. That's it. Don't expect any fancy feature. Of course, for the cost of this platform, it's expected. I would say if you are more of an advanced investor who is also interested in having those features, probably the best platform would be Interactive Brokers, but the fees you're gonna pay are definitely completely different. Being a startup also means that it doesn't have all the products available, so there are some limits. You could definitely find more markets and more products on more established platforms like DEGIRO or Interactive Brokers. And here the €1 fee is considered negative. I really don't know why, but I feel like the €1 fee is really nothing. But anyway, one important thing that I wanted to show you is the backing of Trade Republic. So it seems like it's backed by a lot of basically venture capitalists. So it's it's still receiving funds, it's still receiving interest from these investors. You can see here, I don't know much about them, but that's definitely positive that there's a lot of companies that are supporting Trade Republic and believing in the project. They are definitely expanding across Europe, so that's also positive, and I think the fact that they are they offer a very basic service. I don't think they have a lot of overhead. They don't have a lot of employees or expensive offices, so that it helps definitely to keep costs down. What else can we see about Trade Republic? So it's they say that they work with these banks like Citibank, JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, and your funds basically are held in a separate trust. I did ask them about it, and they gave me a very long explanation on how secure is that. It's completely separate from the company, so anything affecting the company is not directly affecting your funds. That is, I honestly say, is very pretty similar to other stockbrokers. They pretty much mostly like DEGIRO and others which have accounts in the Netherlands. They do the same. So that's another plus for Trade Republic. So let's see here the fees, like order commission is free of charge. Saving plans that I said before is free of charge. Custody is free of charge. So you really don't pay much for this service at all. So the only fee that I explained already is the €1 fee per order. So you can review that, of course, but yeah, it's pretty much the €1 fee as far as I can understand. Are my securities on loan? No, securities are not loaned. So this is an issue with other stockbrokers. They loan your securities for short sellers, for options, and Trade Republic doesn't do that, so you don't have to worry about that, which is definitely a plus. Do I own the securities? This is very important because I was considering trading with another broker, which is called Bitpanda, and they really said that I wasn't the legal owner of the securities, while Trade Republic guarantees you that you are the legal owner, and that's another good thing. Any custody fees, as I said before, there's no custody fee. Fractional investing, another good feature that provided by Trade Republic. Maybe you don't need it, but if you are investing a fixed amount every month, let's say you're saving like 100 to 200 euros a month, and you're investing in products that are maybe more expensive, you can just invest a fraction of a share. That allows you basically to invest in any share because you don't have to buy the full share. Again, what I already mentioned in a previous video and again today, Trade Republic offers 2% interest on cash, which is the highest interest for an institution that is available to Irish residents. I explained in another video that there's definitely more European banks that give you a higher interest, about between 2 and 3%, and you can check my video to see that if you're interested. I think really to wrap up, Trade Republic is an absolute game changer in the Irish market. I'm really delighted, and I think you should definitely consider signing up. I added a link in the description, so you can use that. And thanks for watching. See you soon.